How's it going, everybody? Boom Mike here.
What up?
Gonna be blowing some Tannerite up that the parents got us for Christmas. Oh, it's gonna be a nice one. We got your standard 1 pounder here. And you got 2 pounds here. And then we got 5 pounds underneath this bucket. So we're gonna see how this works out, boys. Woo-hoo! Damn. Gonna be blowing shit down. Let her eat, Tater Chip.
Oh, brother. Oh, brother, let's blow some shit up.
That's right.
Blow some shit up. Gotta get situated here.
You gotta have your smoke, you know, helps you dial in the accuracy here.
Got some ribs smoking on the grill. Got some cigarettes smoking in our mouth. Let's light this sumbitch up. You ready?
Hell yeah.
Oh shit. All right. Here we go.
Here we go again.
Here we go.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, that
God
was live
damn.
action.
Woo!
Live action. God damn. Greenville Police gonna be out here in 25 minutes. Woo!
You gotta love America, and you gotta love the country, boys, buddy.
go?
Woo!
Where the fuck did the bucket go?
Across my arm. Oh, yeah.
Fucking hole. Yeah, buddy. Look, the grass is full.
I might put my little thermometer in it, young man. Woo!
God damn.
That was good. Now we're just gonna sit here, listen to some good music, maybe have some whiskey. They cooking some good ass fucking ribs, boy. Woo!
Hold on, they can't see him. They can't see him. Look at them bad boys.
You can see the taste. Woo! Love y'all.